Well, it's Sunday morning. It's all nasty, kind of wet and rainy today, but can't let that kind of hold us up here. So I'm working on stiffening up the back of this car so I can, build the rear subframe mounts, from here up to the body, and also how I'm going to figure out how I'm going to reinforce the rear of the body. Since we're trying to reuse everything we can and save money in this project, here's kind of what I come up with. Now, this is the top of the core support out of the Pontiac out there, and I've done checked clearance here on the other car out there, and literally the latch just barely goes past this right here, so we got plenty of clearance here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to weld all this solid all the way across through here. Weld the top solid. I'm going to plate this right here and weld it all the way around to reinforce this rear corner. And that should give us a nice solid structure right here between the roof brace and the inner structure here and all. And also give me a place to put a leg off here right and tie them together. It'll take about 4.5 inches out of the center of it. And I think that's the way we're going to go. And once it's all welded up and cleaned up, and all the holes welded up in that, it shouldn't look too bad. I mean, all things considered. And it also gives us the ability to bolt the, the torque mounts back on if we want to. Obviously, they'd have to be lengthened. But this is where I'm at. And it's about, 10:30. So see what we get done today. I come in here and I just got this kind of spot weld in here. And yes, I know there's a gap in the center. I'm going to address that. I think I'm going to make a little box right here that kind of does drop in for, our hatch latch. But I don't think it'll end up looking too bad there. Once all the holes are welded up and it's smoothed up and ground down. It should definitely add some structure to the rear of the car without adding a whole lot of weight. This is the sheet metal, but it is like a 11 gauge. It's pretty heavy stuff, but we need some structure. Once we get this all welded up here, we can start building our legs come off to here. I'll be back in just a few minutes. So far I've got probably, I don't know, an hour in this, so not doing too bad. And this was something that it was too good not to share with y'all. I've done this way. When you got an uneven gap right here, kind of like this one is, it's kind of triangle shaped, but kind of crooked. You take a clean piece of paper, which your hands are already dirty from messing with this dirty stuff and grinding metal and all. You just lay a clean sheet of paper across this, and you can just run your finger, lightly across this stuff. It basically traces your pattern out for you. So you just cut that out with a pair of scissors, and you cut your piece of metal, bend it, and it'll give you something to weld to. So let's get that going and see what happens. And basically what I've done is come out here, and the piece I cut out of the core support, I just laid my little paper pattern up there and traced it out, cut it out. Cleaned it up with a flapper disc a little bit, and pretty good. I kind of end up with this. It's not even welded in. That's kind of fit, It could be a little better, but it could be a lot worse too. But that's kind of fit you want on the patch panel. I come back here and kind of dress my welds up a little bit. We're going to body work this anyway. But I got it all welded into the body here. I got it all welded in up there. Got to do a little bending there, and it's going to sit on that plate just fine. So we'll just weld that in there on this side. We'll trim this up a little bit, make it look a little better. But on the other side, we're going to have to put a plate behind it there, weld the plate in, then weld that to the plate. And so I've still got quite a bit of welding to do here, but we should be getting tied in here pretty soon. We can start on our, our mounts for subframe. So just letting everything kind of cool off, and the smoke kind of died down in the garage here. And we'll pick back up here in just a few minutes. Well, I've just been kind of welding along here. We're all welded up around through here. I got this one welded up here. All around the bottom down there. Still got to bend, that to the body and weld that around. But we're a lot further along than what we were. It's pretty good and solid. So hopefully this will work out like I think it will. Keep y'all updated. Well, I kind of got started, plating stuff a little bit here and welding along. And as always, welder runs out of wire. Got to cut off wheels. And for plate material here, I'm just using, some of that thick metal from the Pontiac frame rail. This actually may be a little overkill here, but it ties that in together good. So we're going to run with it. I'll probably end up cutting a filler panel to go in here and welding it in too. Just so it looks a little better. But guess I'll be back in a little while. Just popping back in for a second. Got this side plated. I got this side plated in. Both sides over here. This one's welded at the bottom down there, so we should be pretty well. It's good and solid. I guess at this point it's been pretty much most of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and start on these legs right here. That way I can get this thing the rest way off jack stands. Well, it's almost dark here again, as you can see. Been kind of at this all day. I got everything all braced up and plated on the sides. It's all welded in there. And I started on this little leg right here about the rear subframe. Obviously I still got to make one over there, and this is going to tie into the back wall. It's going to triangulate up at least on one side of it, if not a bar between the two. But maybe the weather will cooperate a little bit better tomorrow, and I can get y'all a little bit longer video. But not a whole lot today. I mean, to some of you it may be a whole lot, but for me this isn't a full day's worth of work. So ignore the ugly welds. They're gonna get ground down, and they're gonna disappear. So I'll just take y'all on a little slow walk around here. So if you'd like to see stuff like this, just go ahead and, down here, click that subscribe button and share this with your friends. Thank you.